Model organization, overview drawing. Now we will create an overview drawing displaying all the columns in one story level with useful information. We use the Name View feature, which can be found in the Analysis and Design toolbar. The Name View dialog opens up. Select level 4 for the drawing. The Revit view is created automatically. Here, members like columns and walls are displayed with their names. Please see the previous step for how to set these names automatically. We now select all analytical member tags. We want some more information displayed on the drawing. So we change the properties and select one of the other macros with more detailed information. Now there are additional information like the material, the cross-section or the SOFiSTiK group number. Here we have the complete overview drawing for level 4, displaying the members with their names and details. The analytical model is now organized. The Start dialog, confirmed with Calculate, derives and analyzes a finite element model from it. This FE model can be opened in the SOFiSTiK structural desktop for further calculations and designs.